Tempus AI has launched the Tempus Advisory Board. This board comprises leading physicians from across the U.S. who provide guidance, expertise, and strategic advice on research, product development, and clinical utility related to the company's AI-enabled platform. The formation of this advisory board signifies Tempus's commitment to let clinical need and strong science drive their work, ensuring high standards and maintaining a grounding in expert knowledge from outside the organization. The Tempus Advisory Board features prominent physicians such as David Carbone, Tara Mitchell, Nicholas Mitsiades, Rimel, Mothafar Rimawi, Asuntina Sacco, Alexander Spira, among many others. These experts bring diverse expertise from various medical fields to provide guidance, expertise, and strategic advice on research, product development, and clinical utility related to Tempus's AI-enabled platform. In addition, Illumina and Tempus AI have formed a partnership to promote the clinical application of next-generation sequencing tests beyond cancer. They plan to integrate Illumina's artificial intelligence technologies with Tempus's data to develop and train genomic algorithms, demonstrating their clinical value in various diseases. The collaboration aims to standardize comprehensive genomic profiling and other molecular testing across different disease categories for targeted treatment possibilities. This collaboration builds on a history of joint efforts developing diagnostic tools and assays, with Tempus recently acquiring genetic testing company Ambry Genetics to expand into pediatrics, rare diseases, immunology, women's reproductive health, and cardiology. For more on Tempus AI and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.